न्यू कफ परेड की जगह ओल्ड कफ परेड में पहुंच गई थी. आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. एंड उसके ऊपर मुंबई का ट्रैफिक. आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर द डिले. बट विपिन जी, थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने इसको काफी अच्छी तरीके से होस्ट किया. एंड अभिषेक जी, सॉरी मैं आपको पूरा नहीं सुन पाई, लेकिन जितना मैं सुन पाई मैं चाहती कि काश मैं शुरुआत से इस डिस्कशन में होती. और ये जो डिस्कशन थी वो एकदम स्टूडेंट ओरिएंटेड थी, जहां पे मजा आ रहा था. इतने घंटे काम नहीं करना. सारे लीडर्स मेजॉरिटी ऑफ ये बोलते हैं नहीं, इतने घंटे काम करना है, 60 घंटे काम करना है, 70 घंटे काम करना है. बट नहीं करना, चिल करना है. अब बात ऐसे टॉपिक की होने वाली है जहां पे सबको मजा आने वाला है. इन्वेस्टमेंट कौन कौन करता है? नहीं, अपने पैसों से कौन कौन करता है? और पापा मम्मी के पैसों से कौन कौन करता है? ठीक है, यहां पे मुझे शायद से रियल आंसर मिला है, क्योंकि मैंने काफी सारे इवेंट्स किए हैं और सब बच्चे हाथ खड़े करते हैं. तो मुझे लगता था मैं ही नालायक थी क्या, कि मैंने ही अपने कॉलेज डेज में इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट नहीं किया. बट यहाँ पे लग रहा है कि मेरे जैसे कोई है डेफिनेटली. तो चलिए अब बात करते हैं पैसों के बारे में. फ्रीडम सबको पसंद है, चाहे वो मम्मी पापा से फ्रीडम हो, चाहे वो कुछ करने की फ्रीडम हो. लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रीडम आती है फिनेंशियली, कि किस तरीके से आप अपनी फ्रीडम को खुद रूल कर सकते हैं. और अब ये वही टॉपिक है जहां पे हम अपनी फिनेंशियल फ्रीडम के ऊपर जो है वो बात करने वाले हैं. हम सब सोचते हैं कि पैसे को किस तरीके से बढ़ाएं, लेकिन मेहनत कोई नहीं करना चाहता. आज मेरी पॉकेट में अगर 100 रुपए हैं तो मैं ये नहीं सोचूंगी कि मैं 100 में से 50 बचा लूं और 50 को मैं शायद से इन्वेस्ट कर लूं और अपने दूसरी चीजों में लगा लूं. सभी सोचते हैं कल देखेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, अभी यूज कर लेते हैं, कल देखते हैं, अगली वाली सैलरी आएगी, कल मम्मी पैसे देगी, वो कर लेंगे. लेकिन शायद से यही छोटी छोटी जो आदतें हैं वो आपकी जो एंटायर जर्नी है, आपकी जो लाइफ है, उसको बदल देती है. आपका जो करोड़पति बनने का सपना है, शायद से वो इन हैबिट से ही डिफाइन होता है. क्योंकि छोटी छोटी जो ये इन्वेस्टमेंट है, यही जो आपकी ग्रोथ की जर्नी है उसको आगे लेके जाती है. तो आज हम यही सीखने वाले हैं कि किस तरीके से जो छोटी छोटी आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट की आदतें हैं, ये जो आपकी हैबिट्स है, वो आपकी लाइफ में एक काफी बड़ा जो डिफरेंस है वो लेके आ सकती है. सो प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर नीरज सुंदरानी, जोनल हेड यूटीआई म्यूचुअल फंड, जो हमें एक प्रैक्टिकल और एक आई ओपनिंग सेशन जो है वो देने वाले हैं.
Actually, I can do without the mic also. Right? So I've been asked to put this stage on fire, and this is not that after party wala fire. Pushpa wala. Right? So good morning to the millionaires of tomorrow. And I've been given this task to teach you about investments, put money. The bad news is, आप लोग अभी तक जो भी करते आ रहे थे, यू हैव सस्टेन्ड 15 years of school, 3 years of college, अनगिनत exams. The bad news is that was not education, right? Because education is not the means. Sorry, it's not the end, it's the means. And you were only getting trained to get into the new world. So let me begin with this. Education is not the end, it is the means. Means for what? क्या करेंगे एजुकेशन पढ़ाई करके? What do you do? ये अच्छा लगता है मेरे को जवाब देने से पहले ऐसे. So, two things from the earlier session. There is no pressure. If you like it, you will enjoy it. But let me tell you that आपने जो भी पढ़ाई अभी तक की है, it will either get you into a job, or it will get you into a passion, profession, business, और या फिर आप मेरे जैसे कहीं पर जॉब करेंगे, right? Whatever you get into, right? The ultimate objective of whether you get into a passion, so for example, you can be a photographer or any other hobby that you have. Remember, passion is not enough to pay your rents. correct? Unless you are damn good at it, right? So there are passions, then there are professions. So you can either become a architect, doctor, lawyer. No. इस वाले room के लिए तो architect, doctor चलेगा नहीं. Lawyer, that may be some other college, right? But you will become some profession. Or you will get into a business, meaning you will employ people. Perfect? Or you will get into a job of any kind. It can be a marketing job, it can be a sales job. Gupta ji ne bataya that you will have to sell yourself. I've been a salesman all my life, right? And it is not about selling that next watch, next sabun tel, whatever, right? It is about selling yourself, correct? So when you get into your next job, what is it that you want from life? What is it that you want from life, ma'am? To be successful? What else? Perfect. आप जिसके लिए पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, for your luxuries, for your holidays, right? Essentially, we all are working to create a reservoir, right? A reservoir which means a financial reservoir, which means have enough money by your side so that it can give you a lot of cash flows whenever you need them. Perfect? And that's the meaning of FIRE. How many of you know, by the way, what's the meaning of FIRE? Not the financial people here. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, thank you. Financial independence, retire early का मतलब ये होता है that you don't have to check Swiggy का delivery का खर्चा कितना है. Correct? It means that you have enough money to do whatever you like. You don't have to work for money, right, going forward. And therefore, there are some concepts that I think are important, and those are things that UTI wants to bring to you today. If you look at पैसा बनाना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, right? And it is just about, putting some money for some time, which grows at some rate of return to create wealth, right? And therefore, in this example, if you put 15,000 rupees aside every month, keep investing it every month for the next 25 years, market gives you around 12% return, the money grows to around 2.82 crore rupees, right? It's easy, everybody knows about it, right? But what we lack is the discipline, correct? And like somebody said here, Vipin ji ne bhi bola ke 25 साल पे चालू नहीं करूंगा, शायद 30 साल पे चालू करूंगा, right? The anchor who introduced me also said the same thing कि हम आज नहीं चालू करेंगे, हम आज अपने सारे शौक पूरे करेंगे, correct? And therefore, financial independence is about how quickly can you start, right? And I'll discuss more about it as we go forward. Therefore, there are only three things which get into the recipe of making money or destroying money, right? There are only three things that you should remember. No big jargons, koi bahut lambe chaude lectures nahi. You got to begin early. You have to have compounding by your side, and you should take care of the inflation. Your investments have to take care of the inflation. How many of you know what is inflation, by the way? Yeah? सिर्फ 3-4 लोग. आप लोग SP जन हो यार, right? Okay? No, don't worry. It is not too complicated, right? So let me begin with these three. Begin early. And this is the first mistake that you do when you are into investments, right? आप normally 24-25 साल के लोग हैं यहाँ पर. You will quickly get into this world where salary credited का SMS आने लगेगा, correct? Most of us, the first thing we don't think about is investment. How many of you think that the first thing that you will do with your salary is investments? Oh, pretty good, right? So if you start at 30 and continue to put money till 60, right? What will happen with your money? So if you start putting 10,000 rupees aside from your salaries or your professional fees, and you do that for 30 long years, if the money starts compounding at 9% per annum, you end up with around 1.83 crores. But if the money compounds at around 12%, the same money becomes 3.5 crore rupees. Is that exciting? Yeah? Let me tell you, if somebody told this to your parents or grandparents, and they started putting 10,000 rupees each month from the day you were born, any guesses how much will that number be by the time you go to 60? Right? Let me show you. Yeah, at 9% per annum, the money grows to 28 crore rupees, and at 12% per annum, the number grows to a bit more than 128 crore rupees. Right? And the difference between last slide and this slide is is some 120 crore rupees. Only if somebody had the vision. 10,000 रुपए हो सकता है क्या? हाँ या नहीं? हो सकता है ना? So the first thing that you should understand in finance and in investments is that begin early. Perfect. And while I told you all this is at 12%, some of you may be thinking क्या बात कर रहा है यार, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Correct? अगर आप देखेंगे तो Sensex की journey in the last 45 years and thereabouts have generated around 15% return. 1 lakh rupee invested would have multiplied 654 times. 654 times. 1 lakh rupee invested would have become slightly over 6.5 crore rupees. Yeah? तो this is not up in the air. कोई theoretical बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, बहुत दूर का कोई dream नहीं देख रहे हैं. It is beginning early that matters. Quickly, and this is the second big mistake that we do in investment, which is delay. और हमारी आदत है जॉब से निकलेंगे, पहले शौक पूरे करेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे इन्वेस्टमेंट. Yes or no? Correct? And अच्छा इस महीने नहीं कर लेंगे, नेक्स्ट महीने कर लेंगे, उसके अगले महीने कर लेंगे, फिर कुछ आ जाएगा, घूम के आ जाते हैं पहले. Correct? So let me show you what impact does it have. So for those of you who plan to retire at 60, right? And if you want, say, 1.5 crore rupees at your retirement, if you start at 25 years of age, which means immediately after going out from the college, आप कॉलेज से निकले, पहला जॉब लगा, पहला प्रोफेशन चालू किया या पहला बिजनेस चालू किया, आपने 25 साल से अगर हर महीने 2,300 रुपए डालना चालू कर दिया, roughly at around 12% of return, you will retire with 1.5 crore rupees. Correct? But हो जाता है कई बार, नहीं हुआ, मूड रह गया किसी भी वजह से. You don't start at 25, you start at 30. Then you don't have to put 2,300 rupees, you have to put 4,000 rupees. Look at what all this means. Every 5-year delay doubles the money that you have to put to reach 1.5 crore rupees by 60, right? And that is the problem of delaying, right? Let me show this to you in another fashion, right? And I'm sure there are not too many Rameshes in this room. Anybody by the name Ramesh? पुराना नाम हो गया, आप रखते भी नहीं हैं लोग, right? अगर आप 25 साल के हैं और उन्होंने कॉलेज से निकलते ही समझ लिया कि नहीं ये प्रेजेंटेशन बढ़िया है, मैं तो 15,000 रुपए का SIP करूंगा. By the age that he reaches 60, and if the markets give him 12% return, his corpus at the age of 60 will become 9.6 crore rupees. Perfect? But there is a Suresh, right? Any Suresh in this room? No, okay, ये भी पुराना नाम है. But Suresh, like many of you, had a girlfriend, did शादी, फिर घर ले लिया, गाड़ी ले ली, and only about working after 10-20 years, he realized अरे यार पैसे भी बचाने चाहिए, कुछ saving भी करना चाहिए. So he started saving from the age of 45. Went to his friend, जो हम लोग normally करते हैं, यार तूने क्या किया था? मैंने 15,000 रुपए से SIP चालू किया था. He also started SIP at 45. Markets gave him almost the same return, 12%. He ended up with a corpus of 75 lakh rupees. And then it creeps in. यार तेरे तो 7-8 करोड़ रुपए हो गए, मेरे तो हुए ही नहीं है. And therefore he tries and matches your investment. Your investments is 63 lakh rupees. So he says 63 lakh करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? So I will have to do, if I start at 45, I'll have to do a 35,000 rupee SIP per month. It matches the investment, 63 lakh rupees. But because he started at 45, that number becomes almost 1.75 crore rupees. Whether you do 10,000 or you do 35,000, the difference between Ramesh and Suresh is almost 8 or 9 crore rupees. And that, my friends, is a mistake that you should definitely avoid. Perfect? Quickly. And let me just get some new names. Ramesh, Suresh, बहुत पुराने नाम थे. So, आप में से कितने लोग want to retire at 60? You want to retire at 60? How many of you want to retire earlier than 60? Perfect. What age? Perfect. मतलब हम तो already बुढ़े हो गए हैं, right? And see, that is what FIRE means. It means financial independence and retire early. So is there any Alicia in the room? My team is not doing a good work on putting the names, right? So Alicia started with 5,000 rupee SIP at the age of 20. Anybody who's already started a SIP? Yeah? कहाँ से आ रहे हैं पैसे मैम? मम्मी के? फादर के? Okay. You don't know? दोनों एक ही entity है. Right? So Alicia started a SIP when she was 20. She did 5,000 rupee SIP. The corpus by the end of 40 years is 46 lakh rupees. There's Sharan, who started when he was 25, first salary 5,000 rupees ka SIP, delay of 5 years. Look at what I'm trying to put across. The same SIP amount, because you started 25, not at 20, 5 years later, the corpus is almost half. Right? Then, Sharan ne bola nahi, aisa ho hi nahi sakta. So what I will do is, I will start at, so there is Weber. Weber started at 30 but said, nahi, main double karega. Because I want to chase and match you. Right? So he does a 10,000 rupee SIP, but starts at 30. Look at every 5 years, even doubling the amount gives you the same number. Correct? But the winner in this room is somebody called Ishita. She started an SIP when she was 20. Right? मम्मी के पैसों से ही भले, बाद में फिर अपने पैसों से कर लेंगे. But she did a smart thing. हर महीने 5,000 रुपए का SIP. There is a facility in the systematic investment plans offered by mutual funds today that you can decide a particular amount, 5,000 rupees in this case, and you can increase it by a fixed amount every year. It is called step-up SIP. When you get into investments by yourself, you will understand this more. And she said, I'll do 5,000 rupees annually, but every year it should start 1,000 rupees extra. So इस साल 5,000, अगले साल 6,000, उसके साल अगले साल 7,000. So if you start at 20 with 5,000 rupees and keep increasing the SIP by 1,000 rupees, your terminal value is 1 crore rupee. And you are SP Jain, correct? You will get into the job market with salaries starting 50,000 rupees to 150,000 rupees, right? This is with 5,000 rupees. How many of you can manage 25,000 rupees? Yeah. So look at by the age of 40, this will be 5 crore rupees. How many of you can relate the life with 5 crore rupees, or maybe your parents' life at 40 with 5 crore rupees without any help from your grandparents? Right? And that is a thing that I want to leave with each one of you. Let me quickly get into the last point that I wanted to cover today, and that is the power of compounding. How many of you understand what is compounding? What's the formula, ma'am? छोड़ दो, वो पूछना नहीं था मैं. Right? Okay. So this is what Albert Einstein said, that compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Correct? Maybe he did not go to colleges because college Wi-Fi is the 9th wonder of the world. है ना? Okay, so let's play a game here. Go back to your houses today. Tell your dad that you don't need any more pocket money from next month. बराबर है? How many of you, by the way, get pocket money? और जिनको नहीं, जो हाथ नहीं उठा रहे उनका क्या है? मिल रही है लेकिन बताना नहीं है, which is okay, right? So go back to your house today and tell your parents that अगले महीने से नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन आज से चालू करते हैं. आज 1 रुपया दे दो. 1 रुपया में होगा by the way कुछ? नहीं होगा. आज 1 रुपया दे दो, कल 2 कर देना, परसों 4 कर देना. Double the money every day. By 31st, how much money will you have in your account? 58 lakh rupees. Anybody else? Any rough guesses? Whether it will be 10 lakhs, 2 crore, 10 crores, 20 crores? Any rough guesses? So guess ही करना है, calculate नहीं करना है. Don't ask ChatGPT right now. कितना होगा? It will be a whopping 107 crores. Yeah, that's, वैसा वाला. Correct? And let me give you last example. We all have known about these two people, Akbar and Birbal, the king and the courtier, राइट? यू नो अबाउट दिस स्टोरी, राइट? वो चेस खेल रहे थे एंड ही सेड अगर मैं जीत जाऊंगा तो आप मेरे को क्या दोगे? ही सेड कि आप चेस के पहले खाने पर एक गोल्ड कॉइन रखना, दूसरे पे 2 रखना। पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल में कितने दिन थे डबलिंग के जब हमने आपके पापा मम्मी से पैसे मांगे थे? 31 days, right? And this is 64. Any idea how many gold coins will be on the 64th checkbox? It was 107 crores in the earlier example. In this example, how much will it be? Right? कैसे डबल? तो 107 का डबल किया आपने, है ना? वो तो 32 पे होगा. 1000 crores? Near to 1000 crores? Let's see that. It will be, I can't even read this number. Right? My friends from CNBC will be able to tell you that it is 18 quintillion, फिर 446 quadrillion, 744 trillion, 73 billion, 709 million, and 600,000. Right? पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे इतना नंबर होगा ये. And that's the power of compounding. In the earlier example, it was 31 days. In this, it is 64 days. And that's the power of compounding. Correct? Therefore, हमको कॉलेज में सिखाया है that हमको फ्यूचर में कितने पैसे मिलेंगे will depend on how much we invest, what returns it generate, and till what time we invest. It is P into, what is N? No, it is no excuses. Correct? कोई excuse नहीं है. पैसा जब भी लगाएं, लंबे टाइम के लिए लगाएं. Correct? Lot of us want to chase returns. It is glamorous. आज पैसा डालो, कल डबल होना चाहिए, इतना बन जाना चाहिए, उतना हो जाना चाहिए. No one, almost no one, thinks about कितने टाइम के लिए डालना है. Right? Comes out that time is the most important factor in investment. Correct? And I want to really show you this chart once again that had you invested 1 lakh rupees, the Sensex over the last 45 years has delivered 15% return, which has multiplied your money by 654 times. Yeah, this is no joke. Perfect. Can I spend 2 minutes on inflation? A lot of you, yeah, what's inflation, by the way? Theoretical, yes? Increase in the value of money. Yeah, decrease in the purchasing, right? A lot of these, this is by the way tender money, right? Legal tender money. कुछ नहीं आता है इससे आज. Correct? How many of you smoke? अच्छा, रहने दो, publicly नहीं बताना है तो भी, right? इससे एक halls भी नहीं आता, after mint भी नहीं आता है. Correct? And the examples of 10 रुपए का bread is already 51 रुपए, milk, petrol. You all understand this. I don't have to explain this, right? But believe me, जब हम डिनर टेबल पे घर पे बैठते हैं, आर डिस्कशन ऑन इन्फ्लेशन इज नॉट अबाउट टमाटर कितना महंगा हो गया, आलू कितना महंगा हो गया, बटेटा कितना महंगा. नो, नथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? that is inflation, but we don't get worried about that inflation. The inflation that we get worried about is yesterday's luxuries are today's necessities. Correct? आप में से शायद बहुत सारे लोगों ने देखा भी नहीं होगा. ये था एक जमाने का लग्जरी, right? ये था एक जमाने का luxury. To have a camera in the house was a real luxury. Correct? And this is what I call a lifestyle inflation. There is unginat ACs in the house, right? एक जमाना होता था कि सिर्फ पापा के मास्टर बेडरूम में होगा. आज हर रूम में है, ड्राइंग रूम में है, किचन में भी है, right? Some of you want to put it in the washroom also. Wi-Fi, plug, and AC. Correct? Latest mobile phones and the flat TV. Correct? Let me quickly tell you that not only this inflation, but aspirations of having that smart watch, the next bag, right? And watches, perfumes, these are all which, and believe me, I am not pushing you out of luxury. I am not against luxury. I am against getting luxury at the cost of investment. Correct? And I'll explain you that in the last 2 slides. By the way, I'm on the last 2 slides. The first iPhone that at least I saw in India was around $500 in those days. Right? $500, उस समय का currency rate was around 50. So इंडिया इक्वलेंट 25-26 हजार रुपए में मिल जाता था। आज अगर वो किसी के पास है क्या उस समय का आईफोन? नहीं ना। अगर आज उसको स्क्रैप करने जाएंगे तो 500 रुपए भी नहीं मिलेगा। परफेक्ट। बट instead of buying an iPhone that day, if you had put the same money in the Apple ka share, the Apple ka share that time was around $4 per share, so you got 125 shares. Any idea what is the amount today? Sorry, anybody who invests money or looks at equity markets across the world? Okay, so that money has multiplied 112 times in INR terms. It is almost around 28 lakh rupees today, right? So I am not against people buying. And by the way, in the last 28 years or so, you would have changed your phones multiple times. लेकिन सिर्फ एक बार पैसे अगर एप्पल का फोन नहीं खरीद के एप्पल के स्टॉक में लगा दिए होते तो आज कम से कम 28 लाख रुपए होते. So I am not against you buying the Apple phone. I am against buying Apple phone, withdrawing from your SIP, withdrawing from your investment, or not doing the investment at all. Correct? Let's come closer to the home. 2003 में ऑल्टो रिलीज हुई थी इस देश के अंदर. 2003 में ऑल्टो का कॉस्ट करीब 3 लाख रुपए के आसपास का था. आज अगर वो गाड़ी आपके पास है तो उसका स्क्रैप वैल्यू करीब 15,000 के आसपास है. अगर उस दिन आपने ऑल्टो नहीं लेकर के वो पैसे अगर आपने मारुति के शेयर में लगा दिए होते, राइट, स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर, तो दैट मनी इज अप 100 टाइम्स 2003 to 2025, right? And with that money, ma'am, you can buy a Rolls Royce. Yes, you. Correct? So, कई बार जब आप पैसे कमाएंगे, सैलरी आएगी, और ये काफी एड्रेनल है कि सैलरी क्रेडिटेड बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एंड देयर आर मोर एसएमएस व्हिच आर टेलिंग यू ईएमआई डेबिटेड, तो फायर नहीं हो सकता है. करेक्ट? एंड देयरफॉर प्लीज गो आउट, बाय योर कार, प्लीज गो आउट, बाय द होम, गो ऑन द लग्जरी वेकेशन दैट यू वांट, बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ savings and investments, right? Quickly, that was what I wanted to talk to each one of you. Thank you for your patience, but in case you have got any questions, I'm very happy to answer them here. Thank you. So when you go out, start earning salaries, professions, business, whatever it is, do understand that you have a very, very long life to go, and your investments should not be at the cost of your luxuries or consumption. By the way, India will keep growing because you will keep spending, right? तो एक आखिरी चीज, आप खर्चा मत बंद करना, because आप जो खर्चा करेंगे उससे स्टॉक मार्केट चलता है, right? तो हमारे पैसे बनते रहेंगे. Thank you so much. You want to open it for questions?
थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर सुंदरानी. देखो, सब बताते